It's back. I'm here with another video, and I'm here with some more Black Ops 3 Zombies, but this time, as I said, was it yesterday or two days ago? Or quickly, or 2 days ago, that I was gonna do the shotgun only challenge, and this is going to be quite hard, I think, because I have never done it, and second, you don't get hardly any points. So, you know, it's going to be annoyingly hard. But let's get into this. Oh, pardon me. Oh. Yeah, so I'm going to go through Furnace, where there's a shotgun on the wall. I'm gonna buy that. I think it's $7.50, and then just basically use that until I get some points, hit the box, and hopefully get some other guns. Because this shotgun only challenge me so hard for points, so I don't know how this is gonna work. I'm not even allowed to use this gun, so I'm gonna have to knife. So, what's here? Speed. So, I'm gonna go through this way, and the gun literally on that wall there. Get him. Float in. Oh.
Have no choice but to continue the mission alone.
Do do do. Do do do. Okay. Come on, zombies. I don't know. Okay. Don't care about you. Don't know if you could see that when it popped up. I'm watching something. See if we can see it. No, okay. Just wanted to see it. Okay.
Infestation confirmed. Positive
Ooh.
identification.
Okay. First round done. Second round. We're gonna have to keep on rebuilding these barriers. Okay. Okay. Very awkward. Come on. Oh. Oh, hello. Exactly what I didn't want to happen. Is that lunge? No. Oh, missed. Okay. No. Buy the shot. $7.50, right? Yes. Okay. Got a shotgun.
Why do you always have to screw everything
Like,
up?
I think this challenge would be easy if I get all guns and jug. And speaker alone, obviously. What you call it? I have to. Not allowed to use that.
Oh, yeah. Ammunition on the house. Hey, lad, freak sacks.
No, naughty. No. Not very nice, that isn't. Oh, what if we go for headshots? Oh, miss. Damn it, what the f— that was very bad accuracy. Oh, no, no. No, 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 no. Oh, what the f— thank you. Literally trying to point hold to the max right here. Where's the box? Okay. It's in here. Right. Shit. In the awkward place. in that awkward place. But I just got a new intro. I can't remember the guy who had the free template. I can't remember his name or her. I don't know who it is. Sorry, but it'll be on my channel, and it's pretty sick. I really do like the intro. Finally got a new one from the really shitty quality one. Oh wait. Oh. Damn it. Trying to wasted.
Bring it on, marrow suckers.
Hello. Bloody hell. Go up here. I'll buy this. Damn it. Hey, dogs. It's not too bad. Wait, please. Oh my god. This is why I do not like shotguns. Especially that shotgun. So let's try this again. Eh? Eh? Yeah. Oh. Okay, that's why I don't like those sort of can't speak now. Sort of shotguns, the pump action ones. Like that. Because I'm watching this on stream. Yeah, that definitely got... I even stopped shooting saying, oh yes, I've killed it. Move on. But no, apparently not. Apparently not. It's really annoyed me, that has. But anyway, let's just leave that from in the past and get on with the new game, I guess. Okay. Come on. Do. Come on, get in, please. Can't believe I just went down. I had a decent start as well. Getting that. What do you call it? Getting the dual points. That's what it's called. Oh. Here we go. Okay. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna say I'm allowed to use this ammo, and only this ammo, just to get shots. Can't speak again. Just to get started, and I can get some points. Other than that, then no. Like to be able to knife these, please. No. Zombies. Thank you. Now I can use this ammo. That should get me started. And once I've used this ammo, I'm not allowed to use it if I get max ammo or anything like that. Oh, come on. Quickly get out of there. There you go. There you go. That's all the ammo I can use. So now after... Ouch.
Dare touch Taki?
Yeah, I'm gonna get it, but I can't use the ammo.
The spirits come to our aid.
There we go. Now I should have enough points.
Hit by spirits.
Yes.
I fear they are not all like
Okay.
ancestors.
So can I see it? I can't properly see. Okay, what's this? Speed coder.
Takeo knows no fear.
There we go.
Knows no pain.
Sit you down. Thank you. Oh, no, thank you. Okay, come on. I knew I could hear somebody here. I'm decently good with this knifing. Oh. Go. Maxing my points there. One of the longest runs I've ever done. What's this? Double tap. Can I get some points from here? No. Please say Jug's there. Hate going over there for Jug. Damn it. I believe Jug's over there, but I'm not too sure. What's that? I'll take you. Oh, no.
Fortune smiles upon us this day.
Oh, yes. Oh, wait, I actually did kill him. Okay. Okay, what's it? This music's so bloody loud. Damn it. At least I got enough for Jug. Thank you. That was so loud. Hate it. For the past, I think, 4 games I've played, Jug's always been there.
Fire burns from within.
It's really annoying. Okay, come on. Think dog's next round. Why would you do that? What? Zombie. Zombie up there. Of course he is. Saw those glowing eyes. Really? Okay, this is annoying. Oh my god. Double kill. Okay. Come on. Dogs. Apparently not. Oh. All the shotgun what I want.